Hello everyone, Dr. Bryan here. This month at Capital City Regenerative Medicine, we're helping you feel your best with some incredible specials. If you've been struggling with tight, painful muscles that just won't let go, we've got the solution. We're offering 15% off our trigger point injections to release those stubborn knots and restore your mobility. By targeting the source of the tension, we can help you get back to the activities you love. Next, we're taking 15% off my men's and women's convenient supplement packs designed for your busy lifestyle. These packs provide essential nutrients to optimize your health and support your body's regenerative processes every single day. Convenience meets science to ensure you never miss a beat when it comes to your nutritional foundation. So whether it's relieving muscle tension or boosting your nutrition, we've got you covered this month at 15% off. Call us at 614-436-3870 to schedule your free stem cell examination today. Let's start your journey to better health.